Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to download and install Duolingo application on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, go to App Store. If you're an Android user, you can go to Play Store. Once you open up it will land up you to this interface. Here tap on search icon on bottom right corner. Now on search box, here type in Duolingo and tap on search button. Now here on topmost you can see Duolingo application. Tap on download icon. Once you tap on it, it starts downloading. Wait for a minute. Now you can see that your Duolingo application has been successfully downloaded. Simply tap on open button in order to open your Duolingo application. So this is how you can download or install Duolingo app on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.